Okay, so the point accepting tokens with no signature. Uh, JWT are most commonly signed using one of the two algorithms, either SHA to uh, 65 and RS265 as well. So among of things, the JWT header contain algorithm parameters, this algorithm parameter, and this tell the server which algorithm was used to sign the token, and therefore which algorithm need to use when verifying the signature, this one. So this is inherently flawed because the server has no option but to implicitly trust the user controllable input from the token, which at this point hasn't been verified at all. It doesn't verify on the server side. In other words, an attacker can directly influence how the server checks whether the token is trustworthy. So JWT can be signed using a range of different algorithms, but can also be left unsigned. Here we can put none. In this case, the algorithm parameter is set to none, which indicate as called unsecured JSON web token. So due to this obvious dangers of this, server usually rejects the token with no signature. However, as this kind of filtering relies on a string parsing, you can sometimes bypass this filter uh, using a classic obfuscation techniques such as a mixed capitalization and unexpected encodings. So we can jump to now to the lab, and let's understand how we can bypass such this kind of flood. So going back to our lab, so our lab we will follow. Let's just okay. So what are the lab? The lab use a JWT-based mechanism for handling sessions the server is insecurely configured to accept unsigned. This is which algorithm unsigned GW token or JSON web token. To solve the lab, modify your session token to gain access to the admin panel at admin. Then he need to delete the user of Carlos. For that, he give a normal credential users winner and Peter is the password. So just let's jump to my account. Let's put the normal user. Okay, and then beta. Let's test it first. What are the panel for this normal user? So the normal user doesn't have any admin panel here, just given this is my account. So we can log out again, and then let's try to intercept the request. So intercept now is on. Let's just intercept the request. Here, if you find, we can send it to the repeater just to check. Okay, so if we send it, you will find the response. This is the response. given the header is my account here and the user is winner. Let's go back to this one and understand and how we can bypass this one. So our point, if you come here to the header, you will find this algorithm is signed by RS. So in this case, we can make it none. Okay, let me make it in on the repeater, and we can check the condition. So we will sign it as none. So in secure signature, we will apply the changes. Then we will change the payload to administrator. And we can apply administrator. Let's apply the change. If we send the request and we can change my account to my to admin as a request. Then in this case, if we send the request is given unauthorized. So what shall we do? In this case, just we will the verified signature, we will remove the verified signature, we will keep only the header and the payload. And from here, we will also keep this dot. And from the dot, we just removing this verified signature. Now we are getting the correct response, which is okay. And given that this is administrator, admin panel is given the admin panel, and meanwhile he is given the privilege to delete the Carlos user. So just we will go back to copy and then go to proxy. Just let's remove all of this signature or all of this token. We will change it with the new one. Okay. Then this we can use directly to delete this admin or this user. Copy as well. Okay. We can now send the request to the browser. I think we got an error, but let's fix it. Okay, let me just try it again. This one more time. Clear the history, then this is the intercept. We make it on, and then let's go to let's go to my accounts again. Yeah, I'm not logging log out. So I supposed to log out. As we mentioned, we will change to unsigned. Apply the changes. Okay, and the second one, we will make it administrator. Apply the changes and then we can remove this. But let's send it again to the repeater to see. So this is the repeater. And I got the result is okay. I'd like now to delete this Carlos. Yeah, can go. Congratulations. Here you have been solved. Remove the user Carlos and now is being solved. This is the one. So please, if you have any clarification, just you can ping me on a LinkedIn account or on a YouTube channel, and I will reply to any clarification. And you may wait, please, for the third sessions for the other lab. Thanks for watching again.